Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to assemble 4x4. So first I will show you how to remove the pieces from 4x4. You can remove this edge piece from the you need to twist it little so that this piece will come out, and then slowly you need to remove this another piece, and then you need to remove this corner piece, or you can remove this edge piece, and then all the pieces will come out. Okay, so this is base of the cube, and you can see these are the pieces, corner piece, these are edge pieces, this is corner piece, so and these are inner pieces, so brackets. So what we'll do is we'll first separate all the pieces and put it into one place. We'll arrange it accordingly so that we can immediately take this piece. So first let us arrange it. Okay, so now it is arranged properly, so you can see it, all the pieces are arranged, so it will be easier for us to get the right piece while assembling it. Okay, so now first step is to place one big bracket and two small bracket pair in between two centers. So what we'll do is we'll have to place one big bracket and two small bracket like this, and we have to place it between two centers. So what we'll do is we'll place it from here, and we need to be careful while placing it because it may get again disassemble. So this is placed. Now we need to place another pair of one big and two small brackets like this, and we'll place it from here. We'll see whether we'll be able to place it from here or not, or maybe we can try to place it from here. Oops. First step is a bit tricky, so we need to be careful while placing the brackets, so it can easily disassemble. Okay, what we can do is we can take this side first, then Okay, so this is placed. So two sides are done. Now we have to place two more pairs on this side and this side. So okay, so now what we can do is we need to place it from this side and simply we need to this is placed and slowly we can bring this pieces on this side, I mean this center. So okay, so this is also done. Now fourth one. So one big and two small brackets again. And we need to place it from this angle. And we need to be careful. Okay, now we need to simply bring this brackets over here. Slowly we can bring it this side. Okay, so our first step is done. We are through with four sides, and now from here it is bit easy, but I mean you need to be careful at all time. So first step is to place the center pieces. So you need to place one center piece over here and another center piece over here, and third one will come from here, I mean it will be placed here, and fourth one will be placed here. So all four centers are placed. So now you can put your base here. Okay, now we have to place the other pieces. So here we have white and green. So what we'll do is we'll place these two pieces over here. These are edge pieces. So white and green, and then we need to place one more piece, corner piece, that is white, green and red. So or what we can do is we can place another edge pieces also. So here it should be okay. So if this is bottom is white, then green should be in this side, okay, and red should be in this side. So what we'll do is we'll place this white and green pieces over this side and red and white pieces here, and these are green pieces which we have placed, okay. So red, green, so here it should be white and blue, so white and blue pieces, so simply place it from both the side like this, okay, and this side it should be white and orange, so here it is white and orange pieces, okay. So now we have to place the corner pieces, so here it should be orange, blue and white, so here it should be orange, blue and white piece, here it should be orange, green and white, so orange, green and white piece, so we'll place it here, okay. And now I'll put it in center, okay. Now it should be orange, red, green, red and white, so green, red and white corner should be here, and last corner is white, blue and red, so it will be placed here, okay. So our first layer is placed, okay. Now we have to place the second layer centers first, so here it is red, so we need to place two red pieces like this, so this side, I mean the smaller side should be up like this, okay. Then we need to place one red and blue piece, edge piece like this, red and blue piece over here, so it should be in this position. I hope you can see it, it should be in this position, so we have to put it like this, okay. Now two blue pieces, center pieces, so we have to place the smaller side on upside, so first we'll remove this corner, I mean edge piece, and first we'll place all centers, this also should be up like this, and now we'll place the edge piece. Now we have to place two orange pieces, so this is upside and this is also upside, and now blue and orange corner, so blue and orange, so this is not the right edge for this side, because this is blue is on this side and orange is on this side, so we need another orange and blue edge piece, that is here, so we need to place this up like this, so this is placed, okay. Now green side, so we need one green side over here center and one green center over here, Okay, and now we have to place orange and green piece. So orange and green, we have two orange and green pieces, each piece, one that is green is in front and this should be on top like this. So this is the right edge piece. Okay, and now last, that is red and green. So we have another two red and green piece. So we need to see this is not the right one, so we need to place this one like this. Okay, so our two layers are fixed. Okay, now we have to fix the middle brackets in between this two. So we need to place it like this. So it should be something like this. So what we can do is we can place first the center one, and then we can place it the side brackets next to that, both the sides. So okay, so we need to place it across. So this one big and two small brackets, so one big bracket should be in center and two small brackets should be next to it, both the sides. So I hope you can, the camera angle is proper, I don't know. Oops. Okay, so again we need to place two more sides. So this side we need to place first like this, and then place it on both the sides. So this is fixed. Now last one, so center and one from this side, and one from this side. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so for now, next step what we need to do is we need to open the screw little bit so that we can place the rest of the So now I opened it little bit, so that now you can see you can place other brackets easily. Now what we'll do is we'll stick a tape over here, so that every time we need to bring it up. So simply we need to place a tape. We'll remove it just to ensure that every time we need not to okay. So now we need to place the brackets. So first what we'll do is we'll place brackets, two brackets from here like this, and then we'll place the third one from here. Like this. So this is placed. Okay. Now from this side again we'll place two brackets. Like this, and we need to place one small bracket careful while placing it. Okay, we'll try from this angle. First we'll place this one. And then we'll place this third one on this side. Okay, so these two are placed. Now we need to place two more pairs. So this is a tricky part. we can remove this tape. Okay, let's try from this side. This may take some time because you should be very careful not to remove other parts which we have already fixed. So can we try from this side? Okay, yes, so we have placed this side also, and now we have to place the last bracket. So this may take some time, but we need to be careful. So we'll try to place it from here. So we'll place it first top bracket, small bracket. So now we are done with all brackets. Okay, so now we have to place the rest of the pieces. So now it is easy for us to place all the pieces. Now this corner should go this way down. This corner, the theme part should go this way down. Okay, now orange centers, so the small part should go downside. Here also small part should go downside. And now we have to place the orange and green piece, so we need to be careful while placing this. Okay, so this is done. Now blue centers, so small part should go downside. Here also small part, this theme part should go down. And now orange and blue, so orange and blue we need to place it like this. Okay, now we have to place red centers, so again theme part should go down like this. And now we have red and blue, that is here, that we will place it here. And red and green, so red and green we will have to place it here. Like this. Okay, so now we are left with last layer. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to place all yellow corners, sorry, centers first, like this. And if required you can put a tape also on this. And now we have to place the corners first. So here it is orange, yellow and green, so we need to place this corner. Or what we can do is we can place the edges also first. So this is yellow and green edge pieces, so first we'll place the pieces and edge pieces. So we'll remove first this corner out. We need to be little careful while removing it. Or else we'll just keep it like this. Now we'll place other pieces, like this is placed. Now this is also placed. Now we have to place the other corner, that is red, yellow and green. This corner we'll have to place it like this. Okay, and then we'll place the red and yellow edge pieces. So it should be like this. Okay, now we have to place the third corner, that is this corner. So we'll place the corner first. Like this, and then we need to place the edges. So this is placed. Now we have to place it from this side. This is also placed. Now we are left with the last corner and two edges. So this is done, and now we are left with this two. Now we can remove this. So this will be placed from here. Okay, so now we can see our cube is assembled. Now we need to tighten the screw which we have opened little bit, so that okay. So thank you very much guys. If you have any query, you can message me. Thank you.